Hello, this is Brian Begley with enCloud9. Today is part 4 of our series on the built-in marketing tools included with Dynamics 365. Today's topic is marketing lists. Now, marketing lists' purpose is to segment your audience. Now, to make your marketing campaigns more effective, segmentation is essential, and that is where marketing lists come in. You can create static lists for one-time outreach or dynamic lists that automatically update based on filters like location, industry, or lead score. Marketing lists can be directly connected to a campaign or used in a quick campaign, and they help ensure that the right message reaches the right people. So let's walk through creating each type of marketing list. But before we get started, if you're in need of Dynamics 365 implementation or support, please reach out to us at enCloud9. We've successfully completed over 500 Dynamics 365 projects across different industries in the last 20 years, and we'd love to help you out as well. Visit enCloud9.com to learn more or send us a message at sales@enCloud9.com. We'll start with the static marketing list here. So once again, we're in the Sales Hub. We go down to our marketing area. There's marketing lists. We see a list here of open marketing lists. Let's talk about creating a new static marketing list. I'm going to click on the plus new button. I'm going to give this a name, and we're going to call this a static marketing list. Now, with every marketing list, you get to decide, is it static? Is it dynamic? We're going to leave it at static. And then you choose who we're targeting this list at. Accounts, contacts, or leads. You cannot have a marketing list that fits more than one table. So we're just going to go with contacts right now. If you want to, you can fill in some other information like the source or the cost of the list if you purchased it. But right now, all I need to do to save my list is save it. It's all been created. Now, in order to add members to this list, I can do it in several different ways. I can click on Manage Members in the top of the list, and I can just search for names in my list and just start adding them to the list. I'm going to just randomly choose some. I'm going to click Add. I think I just added 4 members to the list. If we switch over to the Members tab, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 members in this list. I can also open up a contact record. So now I'm switching over to a contact record, and I'm going to go to this James McGill contact record. And in the ribbon up here, we see a button called Add to Marketing List. So I'm going to choose which one to add it to. I'm going to add it to the A static marketing list. Click Done. Let's go back to that static marketing list, and you'll see the members there that we currently have 5 members. And I can use this now in a marketing campaign to send out a newsletter or to start a calling campaign or for whatever reason I want to do it. So static lists, very simple to create, very simple to use. Dynamics lists are slightly different. So let's save and close this. And we're going to create a new list. It's a Dynamics marketing list. Now we're going to call this a dynamic marketing list. Same thing, list type, static or dynamic. We're going to choose dynamic. We're going to target it also at contacts. And now I'm going to click Save. Now, the power of a dynamic marketing list over a static marketing list is when we're managing our members, we are going to use a query to add people to this list. So the way you add that query is you click on the Manage Members button in the ribbon. We're going to see the table. We can use a saved view. So for example, I can say, I'm going to use a custom view or an out-of-the-box view. I'm going to say active partner contacts. It's going to tell me what the filters are. And in this case, the status equals active. Then it's going to click Find, and it's going to show me an example that there are 105 contacts that fit that criteria. If that's not exactly the criteria I want to use, I could change back to query. I'm going to say the status equals active and email address 1 contains data. So email contains data. And we're going to click Find, and that's going to reduce our list from 105 to 74. So I like this Dynamics list. I'm going to click Use Query, and now we've populated our marketing list with those 74 people. But what's really cool is, as you see, we have 74 people in this list. I'm going to go to one of my contacts, and I'm going to find one that doesn't have an email address. So we got several here. We got good old Bob Brindle. I'm going to open up his contact record. I'm going to go to the email field here, and I'm going to give him an email address. So I've done that. Save and close. If I go back to my marketing list here, the Dynamics one, I'm going to open that up and I click on the member tab. You'll see now we have 75 members of this marketing list. So what we've done is we've increased the marketing list automatically just by adding new data into CRM. So anytime a contact is created that has an email address, it's going to be added to this marketing list. So that's simple, straightforward. Two kinds of marketing lists, static, dynamic. You can use them for different scenarios. I prefer dynamic for most of my list building because I love the ability to just add new members automatically every time I'm just adding new contacts and or leads into CRM. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're going to be coming back to you shortly with our final video on quick campaigns and sending out an email send using a dynamic marketing list that we've created. We'll have a link to that video once it's up. Thanks very much. This is Brian Begley with enCloud9. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe or like this video. Have a great day.